Hello everyone, my name is Shrutika sutar. I am from Gokhale College. I will be teaching second chapter in the physics, second chapter in BSc first year physics, magnetism, introduction. First we see that the introduction. Magnets are the solid objects of the stone, metals or other material which have the property of attracting ion containing materials. This attractive property is either natural, as in the case of the lodestone, or induced. Magnets are magnets are generally in form of the solids, which is like as a stone, metal, other materials, which is attracting a non, which have the property of attracting non-containing materials. All the materials are made up of the tiny particles called the atoms. Atoms can be composed of the negative charged electrons that rotate around the nucleus of the atom. The electrons in the atoms of the magnetic material are the spinning in the same direction around the nucleus. This causes the material to be magnetic or attracted to the magnets. In each magnetic material there are many different groups of the atoms, each forming its own tiny magnet bar. These groups are in the opposing direction to each other in the magnet. This group of the atoms are aligned to small aligned so that all the tiny magnets are pointing in the same direction. This alignment of the group of the atoms is makes the magnetic material. The Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted in the 1820 discovered that the wire carrying a current causes a direction deflection of the magnetic needle placed near the wire. He found that when the electric current is passed through the conductor, magnetic field is produced around it. The direction of the magnetic field is given by the right hand rule. The strength of the magnetic field depends upon the current flowing through the conductor. In this chapter, we will discuss the magnetic effects of electric current. Then we see the next Biot-Savart's law. Biot-Savart's law states that the magnetic field at the point due to a small element of the current carrying conductor. Biot-Savart's law says that the three properties. First is which is directly proportional to the length of element. Second is also directly proportional to current flowing through it, and third one is directly proportional to the sine angle between the element and joining the center of the element to the point. And fourth one is also inversely proportional to the distance of the point from the center of the element. Consider a length consider a conductor of the any shape carrying current I. Consider a small element of the length dl of the conductor